Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all for tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune to the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. All right, so let's go ahead and tell the team members that we're on live now. And also, yeah, we're going to pull up the other chat too as well. So just give me a second here as we get ready for today. What I'm looking for, what I'm looking at for today. Honestly, I think it's I know it's gonna be a great day. So, one second here. Let's tell the team members we're on live. We just pulled up the chats. TikTok live now at everyone. Let's go. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate it. So yeah, we're gonna start off with SPY, the Qs, pretty much everything, of course. I do want to start fresh here. QQQ. I do want to go over what Tesla 2 as well. Tesla. All right, cool. No worries. All right, so as of now, and honestly, we'll go over the keys first. So it looks like on this, what? Let's go to this possible 2 hour and then work our way down. If it wants to load, that would be great. So yes, we ended up catching this to the upside on a 1 hour chart. And so yeah, you could pretty much see what we did, just yesterday, on the Q. So you can see the before there, also the aftermath. That was on the 1 hour. Also, I'm looking at this 2 hour now. So yes, we still have empty space above us. So what I can easily see is, yes, we do have this clear move down of no consolidation. This is exactly what I was targeting. And if we do possibly continue, we could potentially go up to that 568 area. I do want to go down to a lower time frame, break this down just a little bit more, so I can get like a lower time frame move here. Honestly, hold on, let's see. Two possible. All right, so yeah, this looks good. Yo, Leah, thanks for liking the live stream. Thanks for the gifts as well. Really appreciate it. And yeah, we had a great day yesterday. Looking for another good day. What I can see here now is this, and honestly, this may not be the biggest move, but still, really decent move here. Yo, good morning. Good to see you. So yeah, we do have this clear move down, no consolidation. So yeah, this clear move down, clear push. I get it, not the craziest move, but nice top wall there, bottom wall here. If we somehow, some way break and close above our top wall here, I'm looking for the next resistance. And personally, for me, hold on, let's see here. I don't see any resistance until, let's see. So 566 up to this, 569 area. So still a really decent move if we can get it. Yo, Marco, what's up, man? Good morning. RGTI, yeah, no worries. We can go over that too as well. From the entry to exit, the middle of the move. So yes, the direct middle is exactly what I want. So where are we at right now? So it looks like sellers are pretty much in control of this area. So what I mean by that is, yes, sellers control this top of this box here. Their job is to keep price pushing down. And hopefully we can stay down until market open. That would be great. I do see that empty space here. Also, I do see this as well. So that's that as well. You can see pretty much, we caught this yesterday. You can see the before, the after. You could also see what we did yesterday. IWM, the before there, the after. You can see how we pretty much called out the trade. And yeah, you can see shout out to one of the members. See IWM. So yeah, yesterday was a great day. It was an amazing Monday. So yeah, let me go ahead and write all this down here. You guys, hold on, let's see. Where's my pin at? All right, got the pin. You all wanted to see what RGTI and IWM? Yeah, no worries. All right, cool. So for the Qs, I'm also seeing, so if we do plan on dropping below, what I can also see is this. So yes, clear move up, no consolidation here, and top wall, bottom wall there. If we somehow, some way break under this box, so yeah, there is another box here. We end up breaking below. We do have that empty space down to this red candle, which honestly looks really good. So entry, exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So, you know, all our plays are going to be exactly like in our Discord. We don't change anything at all. So just like, yes, we're going to wait. We have the move. We're in the box, no trade. This is what I sent out to the, you know, the member. Shout out to Rug for this chart as well. Before the after. And yeah, you could see what one member did on that little IWM play. Also, the Qs went very wild too. All right, so now that was on QQQ. So, two possible outcomes. Personally, I'm just going to wait. And yes, I do see empty space down here too. You know, that doesn't look too bad either. So, that's what I'm seeing. Yeah, I know what's up, dude. BBAI, fire. Okay, cool. Yeah, we'll go over that too as well. All right, so we'll keep going. What? RGTI. And then you guys wanted to see, what? IWM. Yeah, we'll go over that. So SL5, almost at that first TP there. All right, cool. We'll keep going here. Yo, good morning, guys. Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate it. Stephanie, what's up? AMD. All right, cool. No worries. I said profit too early yesterday for on IWM. All right, so we'll go over RGTI too as well. So for IWM, you can see obviously, yes, this was a move from yesterday. You can see the before there and also the after. So yeah, both of the targets did end up hitting what I can see now. And so yeah, honestly, yeah, we ended up going up even more. What looks good to me is this. So honestly, let's go ahead and get rid of this. I do like this 2 hour. I do want to see if that 1 hour lines up. Honestly, that 1 hour does line up pretty nicely, but I do want to go to this 2 hour. And I will be completely honest, there is still more. So there is still a gap still above us that looks really good. You said do spy, I really need help figuring out how to play. Yeah, Alex, what's up, man? Good to see you guys and gals. So yes, just remember, before you tune into the live stream, you all have to do your own research. So no, not telling anyone to get into any plays. But yeah, we'll go over a lot of these charts, things of that sort. So no worries at all. So yeah, what I can see here, same exact thing. So literally the same move. Gap down, right? We do have, what? Empty space right above us. So yeah, what I can see here now is, hold on, let's see. Oh, I did not mean to do that. All right, hold on, let's, all right, there we go. All right, so yes, we do have what? Nice top all here, nice bottom all there. What I'm looking at now is if we can somehow, some way, get a nice candle body break above this top wall, we do have more empty space above us, and we, you know, yeah, maybe be a part two. We'll have to see. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad. So, as you can see, what the members and I did yesterday on IWM, you can see the before, the after, and you can even see IWM. So yeah, it was great. I can't even complain. As of now, could we continue up? We definitely could. Downside though, let's take a look here. So if we do decide to go down, Marvel, Tobias, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. So yeah, we you know, we do have this. So yeah, what nice top all there, decent bottom all here, and right under this wall, I don't see any resistance. So if we break under this wall here, I don't see any resistance down to this what? Red candle there, which looks honestly really good. So yes, from the entry to exit, the middle of the move, we have this downside here. So yeah, either way, you know, we're still inside of consolidation. So for a consolidation, like I tell all my members, I'm not getting into any trade. I'm just going to wait. But yeah, you can pretty much see what we have here. So I do want to see how everything's going to open up. Doesn't look too bad. All right, so let's see. BBAI, you guys want to see that? SPY too as well. Okay, we didn't do SPY. We did the Qs. And of course, we didn't do Tesla yet. So yeah, we'll do Tesla too as well. I do want to see where a couple of these plays are too. I want to look at a 24-hour time frame. Hold on one second here. If it'll load, that'd be great. Yeah, appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. All right, so we're pretty much still at that same area. It still doesn't look too bad though. All right, so now we'll keep going here. Let's go to RGTI, and then we'll go to BBAI. Yo, thanks for sharing the live stream. Yo, Fritz, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. All right, so AMZ and Google, SPY. Quincy, good morning, man. Toast. Okay, cool. Yeah, we'll go over all these trades. No worries. Let's see, 24 hour. Let's go to a possible 4 hour. And yeah, let's break this down. Honestly, hold on. Let's see here. Let's see. Okay, I do see something on that, 2 hour? That 2 hour does look really good. What looks good to me is this. So if we can, continue, this is what I'm seeing. So yeah, I do see the upside. I do see we're trying to go into this empty space here. So basically what I'm seeing next is this. Clear move down, no consolidation here. And honestly, I'm going to use, hold on, let's see. So yeah, I do see top all there, bottom all here. And I'm looking for a nice break above this top wall. And if we can get that, so you can easily see, let's go ahead and scroll in so you can see exactly what I'm looking at. One body candle and one wick. And two body candles there. So that's 2 points of contact. If we can somehow break and get above this top wall, I'm looking for the next resistance. And personally, there isn't any until this green candle there. So yeah, entry, exit, the middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So yeah, right now, I'm just going to wait. Do want to see how that's going to play out. Doesn't look too bad as well. Yeah, who's adjusted the stock low? Yeah, RGTI is pretty decent. Honestly, yeah, it looks like we're still in the consolidation, so just going to wait on that. So we'll have to see how that plays out. All right, so let's see here. BBAI, okay. And yes, guys, just remember, do your own research before doing anything, of course. If you do join the Discord, whether it's the free version or the VIP version, just make sure to do your own research as well. You can see what we pretty much did here yesterday, before, the after. And yeah, we pretty much just waited for our plays. You can see IWM as well before, the aftermath. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can see what one member did there. Shout out to Karina. This was just yesterday. And I actually did, let's see. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just make sure to do your own research if you do plan on joining the Discord. If you stick to the live stream, just make sure to do your own research as well too. All right, so what, BBAI, all right, so let's see. Actually, let's go to a higher time frame as well. And I do want to see if, okay. So, I mean, we still have a little bit of upside ahead of us. What I can also see now is this, and it doesn't look bad. Honestly, I do like this downside a little bit more. I feel like it's a little bit cleaner. Yes, I understand. I mean, yeah, there's empty space up here. No doubt about it. But I'm also looking at this. Obviously, it looks like we might end up heading up, but we'll have to see. So yeah, top all there, bottom all here. And what I'm looking at is if we can somehow, some way break under this bottom level. So yes, we do have a Potter box. We have a nice bottom wall that needs to be broken. And if we can somehow break underneath this bottom wall, so yes, I'm looking for a candle body closure underneath this wall. I don't see any I don't see any resistance to this red candle there. Obviously, yes, may have a trim there. It looks really decent. But yeah, still doesn't look bad. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. Do you do options? So yes, we do options inside of our Discord. So yeah, futures too, but mainly options here. You can see what we did just yesterday. Obviously not just yesterday, but you can pretty much see the plays that we ended up getting into. How we pretty much called out all these plays. IWM. I know I'm showing this like every 5 seconds, but yeah, we're in the box, no trade. We break outside, we'll have that trade there. You can see, shout out to Karina for getting to that. So yeah, do you swing trade? So yes, we swing trade and day trade. Our swings, I will be honest, offer a little bit more reward for sure. But I do like to look at the high quality day trades too as well. So, and I'll be honest, I only post like what, 2 to 3 day trading setups a day. And I know it doesn't sound like a lot. I get it. It doesn't sound like a lot. But the plays that we do post, we're looking for, you know, the greater picture. So that's on the 1 hour, the 2 hour, the higher time frame, of course. For the day trades, it's going to be on the 24 hour. It's going to be on a, of course, higher time frame. So, like, let's see, QBT. You can see 24-hour chart. Yes, I love swing trading. I will say it's a lot less stressful for sure. But you can see, thanks to SOFI and QBT Quantum. Shout out to A&M Qs. You can see before, the after. You can see what a few of the members end up doing. And yeah, either the plays work or they don't. I mean, if I have to get tapped out, that's perfectly fine. I can always find a re-entry. But that's just pretty much it. All right, so yeah, everything will be in the link in my bio for the Discord. Could you do the keys, please? Yo, Samir, what's up, man? Yeah, I can definitely do it. Yeah, no worries. Did we do SPY? I'm not sure if we did SPY. All right, so just to cover back over the queue, since we already did it, and yeah, we'll go over SPY too. We caught this the upside. It was great. I don't want to confuse you with all these boxes, so let's just focus on this one step at a time. One second here, guys. Let's pour some water up. He said, yo, thanks for the follower, appreciate it. Do you swing trade or day? Do you swing trade more or day trade more? Personally, I will be honest, I do like to focus on the swing trades, but I'm just going to be completely honest. I don't really swing heavy unless it's a very clear setup. It has to be very, very clear. I mean, I'll still end up trying it for sure. I do love my swing trades, but I mean, if it's clear, oh yeah, definitely, I'll definitely end up swinging it for sure. Like, hold on, what was that play? So SMCI. So this was a swing trade. You can see before we're outside the box. This was a clear entry for me. So I do like taking clear entries, of course. Market moves overnight. Get in right before market closes, and then if we can, take profits in the morning, or you might have to hold it for a couple days. But I will be honest, the day trades, I like my day trades too, but I only get in those same exact thing. If a good play is there, I'll be honest, if there's not a play for that day, I don't rush into anything. I'm not going to rush into anything at all. Obviously, yesterday we had a couple good day trades, but they were quality setups. You can see what we were aiming for, what we did. And obviously, yes, if it didn't work, that's fine. I would have stopped out and found a new trade or found a re-entry. But yes, you can see that was a quality setup. So you can see what one of the members ended up doing there. So shout out to Karina. Shout out to all the ladies inside of the Discord. It's they've been killing it. So all right, so now let's keep going here. So where are we at? So what, Qs? All right, so yeah, QQQ. I do like this upside. And Google, yo Fritz, what's up? Yeah, I got you, man. So yeah, we'll go over all these trades. So yeah, what I'm seeing here, same exact thing. So what I just circled here, empty space. So we do have this clear move down of no consolidation. This is what I would want to this upside. As you can see here, we have a Potter box. We have a top wall that needs to be broken. So sellers are doing a very good job keeping price under this level, and I'm glad they are, just because it's pre-market. So I do want to see if we can break above. Obviously, if we can't, what is this? That's empty space here. I also do like this little box here. There's a lot of more empty space to the downside too as well. So yeah, it looks really good. Personally, if we can get a break to the upside, also looks decent. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any of these trades. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything, of course. All right, so but yeah, we'll have to see. All right, so 1 second here. All right. right, cool. Yeah, thanks for the follows. All right, so AMZN and also what, Google. Let's see here. Let's see what the damage is. And also, I haven't even went over Tesla yet, so we'll go over Tesla. Hopefully Zom can keep dropping, though. That would be decent. All right, so Google, AMZN. All right, so it looks like, honestly, it looks like we're a little bit into some more empty space here. So what I can personally see, oh, that, you know, that doesn't look too bad. So yeah, right now, what looks good to me? Looks like, you know, we'll end up missing this move, or at least I will. We'll go to a higher time frame too. So yeah, I'll look at this on a higher time frame, so no worries at all. So yeah, top ball there, bottom ball here. We somehow can get this break above and close above. I'm looking for the next resistance. Personally, I don't see any until that green candle there. So yeah, it looks really good. Yo, Julie, what's up? Yeah, I can definitely do SPY. So, yo, Potter, what's up? Yeah, no worries. We'll go back over that as well. So yeah, so you can see entry, exit, middle of the move. So yeah, that move may already be happening there. So yeah, you can see we do have that imbalance there. Obviously, yeah, I do like it if we can drop, though. If we can drop, oh yeah, we have empty space. So this is a very clear move that, you know, I wouldn't mind taking if we can get it. Yo, thanks for the roses. Really appreciate it. And, you know, it doesn't look too bad. Hold on, give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. I think I got a delivery. So 1 second here. 1 second. All right, I'm back, guys. And yes, I have a delivery. And yeah, don't make, or actually you can make fun of me, but yeah, I got like one of these caramel. Yeah, it's so good. I get it, yeah, but yeah, this is fire. You can roast me. Dang, that's so good. All right, anyways, we'll keep going. Can't let y'all catch me drinking that though. But anyways, all right, so Google, yeah, what I see here, what looks good. Yeah, that what? 194, if we can get under that. We do have that empty space below us, which honestly looks really decent. So yes, clear move up, no consolidation. That's exactly what I would want to this downside here. Treating yourself right. I know, it's like, I get it, you know. I mean, all right, so anyways, we'll keep going. So that's on what, Google. We'll keep going. Zom looking pretty decent as of right now. We'll see. All right, so SPY. We'll go over this too. And let's go to a possible 1 hour, 2 hour. All right, so this 1 hour, what I'm seeing here, no water this morning. You know, I got some water too, so got some water here. Some Aquafina, even though that's the worst water brand. All right, so anyways, we'll keep going. And MRVL, yeah, no worries. We'll go over that too. So yeah, as of right now, what looks good to me is this. So yeah, we do have this clear move up, no consolidation. I get we had that crazy wick down. But still, we, you know, nice top ball there, nice bottom ball here. Maybe I'll set an alert on that. We'll have to see. I'll write that down. So what, SPY? We can somehow continue. I don't see any resistance until, let's see here, this red candle. So Honestly, looks really good. So about like what, $3 to $4 move down from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move. We have exactly what we want, which is, you know, the imbalance. So right now, you know, looks like we're trying to punch back into this box here. We'll have to see how that plays out. And yes, you know, I get it. Another top wall here, another bottom wall there. So another box with another nice little pocket that we could potentially go and grab. So yeah, we'll just have to see how that plays out. As of now, I'm not going to do anything just because we're inside of that consolidation. Yo, Eli, what's up? So TTD, and yeah, no worries, and IWM on the 1 hour. Okay, cool. Honestly, I do see a couple good trades for the day. So yeah, if we do continue, yeah, that upside does look pretty good. All right, so now we'll keep going here. What? Oh, we haven't even done Tesla. We haven't done Amazon. Amazon, TTD, SPY. All right, so we did SPY, MRVL. Hold on, let's see. So we're gonna leave Tesla. All right, so AMZN, and also we do TTD. All right, yeah, we got Marvel and TTD up, and after this, we'll do that. So hold on, I do like this, you know, this 1 hour. It looks good. So honestly, I do want to go to this 4 hour, possibly. Well, that 4 hour looks really good. Hold on, let me a second here. 4 hour looks decent. Personally, I might try this 1 hour or this 2 hour. So what looks good to me, and yes, not selling any of you guys against any of these plays. So yes, you all have to do your own research. We're only going over the charts. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But what looks good to me, at least, yeah, I have my little alert set, so let's move that out the way really quickly. And, you know, still, same exact thing. We had a clear gap down, clear sell-off here. And as I can see, for me at least, you know, yeah, we do have what, nice, beautiful top wall there. Beautiful bottom wall here. So we have a nice little Potter box. It looks good, it looks great. What I can see here is if we can break above our top wall, our top level. So yeah, we have what? Body candle. So we have a lot of points of contact here, and you know, more points of contact, the better. So that's what my top wall. We break above. I don't see any resistance to up to here. Obviously, yes, I lied, maybe right here, but I do want to see if we can get that full move, which honestly looks good. And yes, imbalance, first EP, entrance, exit, middle of the move. We know this by now, which is the imbalance, and this is where price could typically reverse. So it looks really good. What was said about SPY? Yeah, no worries. 1 second here. What did I say about SPY? But Amazon looks good. There's a lot of trades that look really good. Hold on, let me drink some of this. You can roast me, it's cool. Dang, that's really good. All right, so SPY, I think we did this on a what, a 1 hour? So yeah, you know, there is upside and potential downside that I'm personally looking at. And as of right now, hopefully we we can stay in the box. I get it. You know, if we end up tapping some more, there's a little bit of empty space there. But, you know, the bigger move that I'm seeing is, yes, we do have this clear gap up. So you can see there's no red candles interfering with this. We do have a nice Potter box, nice top wall, and a decent bottom wall here as well. And if we can get this break under this 629, I personally don't see any resistance until this 625. Same thing with this upside. So we do have another box here at this, what, 684 area. So if we can potentially get that break above, you know, it looks really good. All right, so that was on what? AMZN. Hold on 1 second here. So yeah, honestly, it doesn't look too bad. Let's see. Anyone know why Purple this chart shows a different candle than mine does in the right picture? Yo, Eli, I don't know if you're in the live stream, but just let me know what subscriptions you have for those for your chart settings. Just let me know, and I got you. Yo, Andy, good morning, man. Good to see you, bro. All right, so that was on what? SPY. All right, so honestly, okay, yeah, we'll do TTD, we'll do Marvel, and then yeah, I do have to look at Tesla. I haven't looked at that all morning, so I know everyone's gonna ask me. So, oh wow, okay, so TTD finally did a little something here. Let's see. All right. Dang, that is so good. I got a caramel frappe or ice cap, whatever it's called. And yeah, you can roast me. This is the only order I get. If I get coffee, I order a caramel frappe, and they hit every time. All right. So, anyways, TTD. I mean, yeah, we do have empty space above us. It looks good. Clear move down, no consolidation. It looks like we did end up, having a nice break above our top wall, our top level, which allowed us into this empty space. I will say about this one though, this one does like to play a lot. So if we do potentially go into this empty space here, it might take its beautiful time. So I feel like at least for this one, it could potentially like mess around. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. I mean, yeah, there is an empty space that looks good, but we'll have to see if it plays around this time or not. So that's personally what I think. Obviously, yes, you all have to do your own research. Yeah, you obviously could see it differently than me, which is perfectly fine too as well. But that's just personally what I see. All right, so we did. All right, so Marvel, and then we'll do Tesla. Oh, Marvel looking really good. Hold on. Let's see here. Let's go to this 2 hour. If it'll load, that'd be great. Marvel actually looks really good. DLTR. Yo, Tina, what's up? Honestly, I keep forgetting to do DLTR every time you ask. So yeah, we'll get that done today. TXN. Okay, cool. Kenzie's what's up? All right, so Marvel looks good, and the members know about Marvel, but let's go ahead, break it down. I want to start fresh. Obviously, it's still going to be the same box, but we do have this clear move down of no consolidation. This is exactly what I'm targeting to the upside. So what I circled is exactly what I'm targeting. But I can't just get in just because it looks good, just because I know what I want. What I have to do is create a box. So yes, we do have a nice, beautiful top wall, nice bottom wall here too as well. And I mean, yeah, if we can somehow, some way get this break, and we're very close. So yeah, sellers are, pretty strong in this position. So I'm looking for a nice break above. If we can, we do have that empty space above us, which looks really good. So yeah, entry, exit, middle of the move. So yeah, the direct middle, we have exactly what we want. And honestly, it doesn't look bad. So yes, where are we at? We're in the box. We're in consolidation. No trade for me. What I'm looking at is if we can break above that level, looks good. So, for a play like this, it looks good. I'm not going to rush into anything. Obviously, what we posted yesterday. So yeah, we posted a couple charts, a couple plays. You can see pretty much when we called it out right before market open. So yeah, right before market open, you can see what I had, what I wanted, what I told the team members. You can see also the aftermath. We wait for our positions. We don't chase into anything. So just like yesterday, IWM before, the aftermath, we wait. And yeah, obviously some plays may not work, but when they work, you can see what one member did here on that, IWM call there. So yeah, that's pretty wild. It was a wild day. But yeah, you can pretty much scroll up and see not just that play there, but you can see more trades. What we had, Tesla. Shout out Julius to challenge anyone to find better Discord. I mean, obviously, yeah, if the plays work, cool. If they don't work, that's fine. I'm going to get stopped out. I'm going to find a re-entry. Shout out Sky Guy as well. All right, so we'll keep going. So what? We did Marvel with all these trades. Tesla. All right, so Tesla. Let's see. And yeah, let's start fresh here. And let's go to a 4-hour. I do want to go to a 4-hour. So what? Hold on. TXN. So what? DLTR, TXN, NVDA. Okay, now what's up? And then also BBAI. So NVIDIA, BBAI. Cool, cool, cool. All right, so one second. So Tesla, it looks like, let's see, let's go to a possible 2-hour, maybe a 1-hour. Let's see. I think I did this on a 1-hour if I'm not mistaken. All right, so I feel like, at least for me, yes, we, on a, higher time frame, we did have a little bit more of the gap that I liked, but personally, for me, this is what I see, and I have my alert pretty much set on that. Want to get that out the way really quickly. So same exact thing. What am I seeing here? So yes, we do have clear move down, no consolidation, and this is exactly what I would want to this upside. And if we can somehow, some way. So yeah, what nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here. If we can somehow break above our top level. So yes, we do have empty space, which is directly above us. So yeah, 2 body candles closing directly at the same price. Bottom wall here, 2 body candles here as well. And right now, where are we at? We're in consolidation. So yeah, these candles are having a hard time deciding what they want to do. And I'm not going to mess with that. We end up breaking above our nice top wall here. I don't see any resistance until up to here. So yeah, that looks really good. So that 317.80, and it doesn't look bad. So, yo, Chris, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. I missed what you said. So yeah, Tesla. Personally, yeah, we are still inside of the this consolidation area. So yeah, we're there's just nothing that I would want to do here yet. What I'm personally waiting for is if we can get a nice break outside of this 312 area. It doesn't look too bad. So entry, exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So that's the imbalance. So yeah, right now I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to tell my members just to get in. What if I'm in a trade already? Yeah, it really just depends on what your risk is, of course. When you got in, your strike price, things of that sort, whether you're in calls or puts. Personally, I'm not into this one, but yeah, just make sure to do your own research before doing anything, of course. So if you just stick to the live stream, just make sure to do your own research, of course. And also, if you do join the Discord, just make sure to do your own research. Have I looked at IWM? I think I have, but yeah, we can go over that again. What, IWM, and then Vincent, what's up? AAPL, so Apple, AMD, and NVDA. All right, cool. All right, so that's what I see on Tesla. It looks good. It looks really decent. Obviously, if we can't get above, we could end up dropping as well. You think stock market will open up or down today in 30 minutes? Honestly, we could potentially get, and yes, we could potentially get, a nice pullback. But for me, I really don't care if it opens up to the upside or the downside. I have plays to the upside and also to the downside. So like if a play wants to go up, like just for yesterday, you can see we end up breaking above our wall. We took it, we didn't care. And yes, look, you can see I had empty space to this downside here and the upside. Me, I don't care if, the market decides to go to 0 tomorrow. There is some plays to the downside that I see. Personally, I'm not here to, just to get in just because of what I think. I'm only getting in to plays if the chart shows me. So if the chart shows me, all right, it's time for me to get in, I'm going to get in. So you can see what we did on that IWM. if it tells me, oh yeah, you got to get stopped out, buddy, I'm sorry, then yeah, I'm personally gonna get stopped out. I'm not gonna cry about it. Or if it tells me, oh yeah, it's time to take profits, great job, cool, we're gonna take the profits. So right now, like for that Tesla play, for me at least, obviously you could see something different, which is perfectly fine as well. But for me at least, I'm seeing that we're in this consolidation area. I'm just gonna wait, and that's pretty much it. Zom, please Lee. Thank you. Yo, King Ranch, what's up, man? XYZ, what do you trade on? So, TradingView is how I go over all of my analysis. I do use Webull TradeStation, and I do have Robinhood too. All right, so as long as it doesn't move, so yeah, if it moves sideways, so yeah, let's just say if Tesla wanted to move sideways or whatever, yeah, there's just not going to be a trade for that. So if we can somehow break out of it, that would be great as well. All right, so we'll keep on going. Let's take a look. So, hold on, let's see what DLTR. Cool. We did TTD. We got to do NVDA. We got to do TXN. I think you guys wanted to see that. We did Tesla. We got to go over what? Apple too, and also Meta. Yeah, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, links in the bio. You can pretty much see what we did yesterday, and also not just yesterday. You could scroll up, look at some random plays. You can see shout out to Fabi as well. So yeah, Fabi's been doing great. So yeah, you can also see in the testimonials, results speak for itself. And yeah, obviously, yeah, either the plays work or they don't. If I get tapped out, that's perfectly fine. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so Zom, since we already have it up, let's go over it. So yeah, what I can see here is this, and it still doesn't look bad. We may, so yes, what do we have here? Clear move up of no consolidation, and we do have this Potter box here. We ended up breaking outside of our bottom wall here. I can see that, yes, we are currently still down, which is great. I do want to see if we can stay down. So if we can, it looks good. So obviously, yes, if we go back to the wall, I'm gonna end up finding that re-entry. Yes, we still have that empty space, which looks good. Do want to see if we can continue to toy down. If we can, yes, this is why re-entries are happening. But yeah, as of this second, it looks good. Yeah, we'll have to see how it looks at open or closer to open. But yeah, as of right now, we aren't inside of that wall. So yeah, we'll just have to see. All right, so what? TXN, and also what? You want to look at AM? Oh yeah, we can go look at AMZN really quickly too. Let me actually pull up one more tab really quick. So AMZN, let's see. So yeah, personally, I think I did this on a 2-hour. Yeah, so yeah, on a 2-hour, I get it. Yes, we could end up tapping into some more empty space to the downside. What I'm looking at is this. We do have clear move down of no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the upside. So you can see we have a nice Potter box that I'm looking for a break. Honestly, it wouldn't be a bad swing if we get that end of day, but we'll have to see. Actually, not terrible. So yeah, we'll see how that plays out. Looks really good. All right, so that was on AMZ, and that's pretty much what I saw there. So Apple, we got to go over that. All right, so Apple, NVDA. So yeah, we'll go over NVDA first, and then we'll go over Apple, TXN, and all these other trades as well. All right, so NVDA, let's take a look. All right, so it looks like that little trade ended up. Dang, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. But anyways, let's go ahead and get rid of that. Since that was. Ooh, okay. Actually, dang, I see like 10 setups that look good. All right, so what? NVDA. Actually, yeah, that doesn't look too bad. All right, so yeah, what I see here, and this doesn't look bad. Yo, Travis, what's up? What, AMD? Yeah, we can go over that too as well. Honestly, yeah, I mean, clear as day. We do have clear move up, no consolidation here. And what I am seeing, Well, it looks like, yeah, we are tapping into this little bit of empty space there. What also looks good is what? We do have, let's see, nice, beautiful top wall there. Also, beautiful bottom wall here. So, let's take a look. We end up breaking under this bottom wall. I'm looking for the next resistance. And personally, you know, for me at least, I don't see any resistance until I get it. Yes, I see resistance there. So, but I do want to see if we can get, you know, try that full move down there. So, looks really good. As of right now, yeah, there's no entry, not selling any of you guys against any of these plays. So, yes, you all have to do your own research before doing anything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Wow, it looks like everything's trying to drop there. Oh, TXN. Oh, wow. Okay. So, yeah, that's on NVDA. That's what I'm seeing, which honestly looks really good. So, what? That was on NVDA. Also, what? AMD. Travis wanted to see that one. DLTR. All right. So, Apple, AMD. So, okay, cool. So, what? DLTR. Let's take a look. And, yes, hold on. Give me a second, guys. Going to give me some more water. Things of that sort. So, yes, 1 second here. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. Just make sure to do your own research before doing anything. But yeah, just give me 1 second. I'll be back in literally like 1 minute. But yes, just please do your own research, whether if you're in the free chat or the VIP or on the live stream. All right, yeah, 1 second. I shall be right back here. All right, so 1 second. All right, so let's see. All right. Let's see. He said he's talking Tony Romo going to set up. Is this a website or an app? So this is, yeah, so I'm using TradingView for all of my analysis. Need a bigger water jug. All right, yeah, I'm back. Yeah, I may need a jug next time. All right, so for DLTR, let's take a look. And also what? We want us to look at SOFI too. So yeah, SOFI. All right, so DLTR. So let's see here. All right, so let's see. So dang, yeah, DLTR has been going crazy. Let's go to this 24-hour time frame, and then yeah, let's work our way down. If it'll load, that'd be great. Honestly, it looks like we're still a little bit into some empty space. What I like here, and personally, yes, this is like a move. So we got to wait like what, $10 more up. What looks good to me is this, and honestly, it really doesn't look bad. So what I can see here that doesn't look bad is we do have this clear move down of no consolidation, and this is exact. So yes, clear gap down. This is what I would want to the upside. As you can see, we do have a nice Potter box. So yeah, I pretty much have been waiting for this trade. Do want to see if we can potentially get above our top wall. So 1 second, let's turn this music back on here. And yeah, you know, it looks good. It looks decent. 123 up to that 127. So yeah, we got a little ways away. We could potentially continue to this empty space here though. But I'm just going to wait for that. No need for me to, you know, rush into anything. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. All right, so 1 second. All right, so that's on DLC. Yo, Houston, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Thanks for all the follows, all the likes, guys. All right, so let's see what SOFI. We'll take a look here. So SOFI, we did end up having that nice break above, we were like, what, very close to that first TP. We did this on a 1 hour. So if we can finish this move, we still have this empty space above us. So yeah, we ended up breaking above. Obviously still not bad if we can end up finishing that move. But yeah, as of right now, nothing for us to do except for just to wait. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm seeing there. So yeah, honestly, we'll have to see how that plays out at open. All right, yes, okay. I promise. Give me one more time. I'll be right back in literally 1 more minute. So, 1 more minute, guys. I'll be right back. But yes, just give me 1 more time. 1 second here, guys. I'll be right back. And yes, please do your own research before doing anything, of course. And yes, we'll go over all these other trades. All right, yep, I'm back, guys. I'm back. All right, so yeah, no more interruptions right now. All right, so we'll keep going. So TXN, I mean, yeah. So what? I think we did this on a 2 hour, possible 1 hour. If this will load, that would be great. Let's see here. No, I think I did this on a 2 hour, 1 hour. So as of right now, I will be honest. Yeah, we ended up breaking above our top wall. We went straight into our empty space. So yeah, that first TP did end up hitting there. It looks like we're trying to finish that move there. If we can finish it, I don't see any resistance to that, 186. But no, not telling any of you guys to get into any of these plays. So yes, you all have to do your own research, of course. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. But it doesn't look too bad there. All right. So that is on. Let's see here. Yo, Fred, thanks for sharing the live stream. Queez, thanks for sharing the live stream as well. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. Did we do Apple? I'm not sure if we did. So yeah, TXN, wow, that looks really good. And also AMD. So AMD looks like pretty much the same thing as SOFI. So as you can easily see, yes. What do we have? Clear move down, no consolidation. And this is exactly what I can see to the upside. We ended up with a nice break above. We were very close. So same thing with SOFI. We were very close to that first TP. So either we go back up and finish that empty space, or we might go back into this box and retest. So all right, that's a terrible circle, heart, whatever. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing. That doesn't look too bad. All right, so now let's keep going. AAPL, cool. We did TXN, HUM. We didn't do Apple, did we? So yeah, we didn't do Apple yet. We did ZOM. We did DOTR. HPQ. All right, cool. All right, so for Apple, let's take a look. And it looks like, yeah, that 1 hour chart, we did end up going into that empty space here. What I can see now, so let's honestly, let's get rid of this. Let's go to a higher time frame, possibly 24-hour chart. Let's see here. let's see, 24 hour, 4 hour. All right, so yeah, personally, this is what I like here. So I do like this 4 hours still, and honestly, yeah, you know, the Discord and I, we wait for the same exact play each and every day. Still looks really good though. So yeah, we do have this clear move up with no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want, you know, to the downside. And of course, top wall there, bottom wall here. And as you can see, underneath this bottom wall, so what? 2 body candles closing there. If we can somehow break under this bottom level, I'm looking for the next resistance. And personally for me, I don't see any until, let's see, this red candle there. So yeah, I will wait for that. Doesn't look bad. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So yeah, where are we at? So currently we are at this 203 area. And what does that mean for me? Absolutely nothing. I don't care about it. Obviously, you know, if we do want to, and since that kind of already happened on that 1 hour, I do like that downside a little bit more. We could still potentially go into that empty space. That doesn't look bad. But yeah, if I do like this downside if we can possibly continue to drop. So we shall see how that plays out. All right, so we'll keep going. All right, so HUM space. All right, cool. All right, that's. Oh, okay. All right. Oh yeah, we'll take a look at all these trades. No worries. And also what? BBAI. Yeah, no worries. So I think we did this on so we had a box here. Pretty sure we did. Yeah, 2 hour chart. So yeah, BBAI. This is what I have here. This is what I like. Personally, what I am seeing is this. So what looks good to me, and yeah, we do have this clear move up. So clear as day, as you can see, if we have a break under our bottom wall, so 2 body candles closing directly the same price, we end up, and yes, if we end up breaking under this bottom wall, we do have empty space under us, which honestly looks fairly decent. So right now we're in the box. We're in the spotter box here. I'm not going to take any trades. Just going to wait. So same thing with, you know, what we did in our Discord. So let's see, yesterday. And yeah, either the trades work or they don't. If they work, cool. If they don't, perfectly fine. Can stop out, find that re-entry. You could see that before here. Also, the after, the Qs. You can see IWM. We're in the box. No trade. We have exactly what we want. We end up breaking outside our wall here. We end up getting in. We have a trade there. You can see what one member did on that IWM call. So you can see what IWM yesterday. So shout out to Karina, shout out to, you know, all the members, and yeah, that's exactly what we wait for. You can also see more members here. On the way down, working 8 to 6, anything is possible with this group once you ask questions, start gaining the knowledge. So shout out to, you know, David as well. Shout out to, you know, all the members. You can scroll through the games page and see how we pretty much call out plays, like that Google call out. It doesn't matter. All these trades are going to be exactly the same. And yeah, if I have to get stopped out, if I have to get tapped out, that's perfectly fine. Let's see. XYZ, I did not. I don't think so. So hold on, let's see. ETS moving up later today. Yeah, 1-800. Honestly, you know, I do see a couple good plays on the ETF. So yeah, we'll have to see how things play out. All right, so XYZ looks like, let's see here. Okay, it looks like we could still be in this empty space. All right, so personally what I'm looking at is this. So yeah, we do have what? So top all there, bottom all. This is what I would wait for. And I get it, yes, nothing crazy, but yeah, we do have what? Beautiful top wall, if we can somehow get above. I'm looking for the dex resistance, and personally, I don't see any until what, this green counter there. Entry, exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want, which is the imbalance. So honestly, you know, it doesn't look bad. You can see, yes, clear move down, no consolidation. If we can somehow get above that top wall, it looks really good. All right, so the Qs, where are we at? Let me see. We shall see, we shall see. All right, so yeah, we still are inside of this consolidation area, so I'm just going to wait. Do want to see if we can possibly get above this top wall, so that 566 area. So, you know, it doesn't look bad. Do want to see if we can end up getting that. Looks really, really good. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. Have a lot of work to do inside of the VIP Discord. So yeah, if you want to join up, if you want to be a part of the team, links in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. You can see what all the members here ended up doing. If you don't want to join up, no worries at all. I will be on live later today as well. Good to see you, dude. Thank you so much, man. Honestly, once I get my streaming back, my actual camera, once TikTok likes me again, yeah, it'll be great. But yeah, appreciate you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. Hope you all have a blessed day. You can either join the community or I'll be on the live. Just make sure to do your own research before doing anything. Have a blessed one, guys. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all soon.